What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Redmi K20 Pro against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the Snapdragon 855 versus the Kirin 980, 8GB of RAM versus 6. The Mate 20 Pro does have performance mode enabled, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Redmi K20 Pro finished first, and overall it scored a lot higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Redmi K20 Pro scored higher for every single category, and that's not surprising thanks to the Snapdragon 855 CPU. So that wraps up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.